Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at a rate question. Now, as you can see over here, it says that Zihao took 3 hours to paint a room by himself. Okay, so whenever we do a rate question, okay, what we want to do is we want to write down that one room is basically 3 hours. Okay, in order for him to paint the entire room all by himself, he will need a total of 3 hours. Okay, now our job is to always get to Mr. Green Man. Okay, so but before I go on to that, right, I just want to write down that this is Zihao. Okay, I'll use the blue color for Zihao, and we are gonna get to Mr. Green Man. So what's my Mr. Green Man? My Mr. Green Man is 1 hour. In order for me to get from 3 to 1, I just have to divide by 3. So when I do something to the right, I must do something to the left. I will get to 1/3 of the room. Okay, just imagine I split the room into 3 parts. Now, once I'm done with this, I want to move on to sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 says, Harin took 5 hours to paint the same room by himself. So one room, same thing, right? Can you understand?
Yeah.
5 hours. If I'm too fast, let me know, yeah?
Yeah.
And we want to get to our Mr. Green Man first. Do you understand?
Understand.
Okay, so we divide by 5 on this side as well, and I'll get to 1/5 of the room. So from here itself, you can see that Harin probably has longer arms. Is that true?
No.
Why?
Because the Zihao paints faster.
Right. So who is faster?
Zihao.
And if Zihao is faster, that means Zihao has longer arms. He can go, he's probably stronger. Can?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we want to do now is to, of course, answer the question. Okay, because what did the question say? The question say, what fraction of the room did each of them paint in 1 hour? Can you see they will always ask you for that Mr. Green Man?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, so that Mr. Green Man over here is 1 hour. So my answer definitely for Zihao is 1/3 of the room. For HL, Harin will be 1/5 of the room. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in this situation, now we can in fact, for the answer, we just put ZH is 1/3 of the room. For HL, it will be 1/5 of the room. Can?
Wait, so they are asking for the total?
In A, they are not asking for total.
Okay.
Right, because the question say each of them. If they were to say what fraction of the room did both of them paint in 1 hour, then that's when you have to add 1/3 and 1/5.
Okay.
Because they both contributed, right? You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if let's say they say, okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go, start. Okay, then they start painting. So Zihao will be like, yeah, you're so slow. Then Harin will be like, okay lah, because you got longer arms, what? You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Can Okay, so that is for A lah. Can? Now B. So B is a complete different question. Okay, in fact, not a complete different question, same things. Okay, but just that it's separated. At 2:30 p.m. So they started after lunch. They say, okay, you know what? Let's start painting this room. Okay. Zihao painted the room by himself for an hour. So whenever you do questions like that, you want to just draw a timeline so that you have a better view, right, of what exactly is going on. At 2:30 p.m., Zihao did not slack. Zihao decided to paint all the way until 3:30 p.m.
Yeah.
Can you understand? And Zihao is doing all by himself. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so Zihao is doing it all by himself, and Zihao said, okay, I will paint for an hour while you, Harin, you go and slack lah, you go and relax lah. Understand? I'm just gonna put Zihao over here, okay? There is no Harin in from 2:30 to 3:30.
Yeah.
Okay. After what? After that 1 hour, who joined? Harin joined. So when Harin joined, what happens? This is where I have to include HL. You understand? Not HL milk, HL, Harin. Now, can you tell me how much of the room is not painted after 3:30?
2/3.
Yeah, very good. So this 2/3 of the room is basically what they both need to contribute. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
This 2/3 of the room is basically what they both have to contribute. Okay. And remember just now.
Yeah.
Can I continue?
Yeah.
right? So this 2/3 of the room is basically what they both have to contribute. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we want to do right now is to count by the hour. So every hour, Zihao and Halin will be 1/3 plus 1/5. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, since this is a calculator question, you can punch your calculator and find out what is it when I do 1/3 plus 1/5. Like, what do I get in 1 hour if they both decided to let's do it together? You understand what I'm saying? Why? Now in 1 hour, right, they will be able
8
to
over 15.
8/15 of the room. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, but the question is asking what time, right? So you see, in 1 hour they only pay in 8/15, right?
Yeah.
Right now, then this one is what? This one 1/3. Can we change to over 15 also? 5/15. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Okay, now are they done? 8 plus 5, does that get me to 15/15?
No, it gets you to 13.
13, right? So I need another 2/15, correct or not?
Yeah.
You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So 1 hour will get me 8/15. So what we want to do is we want to find 15/15 of the room. Do you understand or don't understand? How many hours will I take in order for me to paint 15/15 means one whole room? Make sense?
Yeah.
In fact, actually you don't even need this. You know why or not? Do you know why?
Why?
Because you have already painted 5/15. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, so just 10 over 15.
Yeah, what is left is just 10/15. Well, if you want to find 15/15 also can but I'm just trying to shortcut You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I hope this is very clear for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so to find this brown color question, this brown color arrow, we just have to do 10/15 divided by 8/15. Can you understand or don't understand?
Understand.
That is basically 1.25 hour. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
But this is only after 3:30. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So after 3:30, 1.25. What is 1.25 hour? 1.25 hour.
1 hour and 15 minutes.
1 hour and 15 minutes. Very good. So you convert lah. So 1 hour later, 4:30, right?
Yeah.
So at 4:30, they are still not done. They're like, still got 15 minutes more. Okay, come, let's go. So therefore, by 4:45 p.m., we will be able to finish painting the room. Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.